Hi Joe, this is a walkthrough of all the challenges to the Joe's job website. I'll go through your list from the email one by one, so each one working and along the way point out a couple of bugs from the old site that got fixed at the same time. I will also show the automated test briefly at the end. So the small one, the copyright notice, it used to say 2017 that's fixed, mm, and it's fixed properly. Instead of me typing in the new year, the footer now pulls the current year from the server clock, so it's all always be correct from now on without anyone needing to touch the code. And second was the career advice page. It's a normal page in the site. Now, same header, footer, and navigation is everywhere else, and it's reachable from the menu bar. And the third feature was this is the one was not actually a bug fix as much as a new feature. Previously, if you added a category in admin area, it never showed up on the public job page on or in the menu. The menu and the job page on only knew about the category that were hard coded on the site was first built. So let me go and log in as an admin, and here you can see the category portion where if I add a category saying health. And you can see a health category being added. And if I go to a normal side, then let me load it. Then you can see a health category being added in the top portion. And the fourth and the fifth was about the fourth and the fifth was about achieve instead of delete and improve job list. Nothing is lost. You can bring a job straight back instead of retyping it. And while I am on the page, you also ask for the category and date received to show as a column, filtering by category and the newest job at the top. All three are here. And the sixth was about the public filter by title and the location, where you can see here then you can type a job title and location. Both filter work together and both work alongside the category filter too. And the 8 and the 7th and the 8 staff account and client account. This is the biggest change um, before everyone shared one password. Let me in typed straight into the code. Now every person who need access has their own username and password, and there are two type of account staff. So there are two type of accounts where those are staff who can see everything, and the client who can only see the job. So let me make a account naming Sita and type the password, and let me make him the client and add the account, and then let me go here and log in and type Sita. And here you can see Sita is logged in as a client account, and she can only see the job titles. And if she tries to go to the admin area, she don't get the access. So the ninth feature was back on the home page. You asked for the five job closing soonest to be shown here, soonest at the top. And the 10th feature was about the inquiry, contact us and the inquiry, where you can just type your name and your surname, and you can type the email and the telephone number, then type the inquiry. And if you send the inquiry, you can see that the inquiry has been sent. And if you go to admin login, then go to inquiries, then you can see here the inquiry has been submitted to the admin. That inquiry is saved to the database, not email. And in the admin area, staff can see every inquiry response outside the system and make it complete. There's a full history of everything that's ever come in log, along with which staff member handle each one. So that's all 10 changes from your email, plus the security and structure fixed that came with them. Automated test covering the data layer are included in the submission, and all currently pass. Happy to walk through separately if useful. Thank you, Joe.